Hi guys, today I've made my own custom tank engine Chad from the Coleman H's own railway series. So here he is, tank engine Chad from the Coleman H's own fan-made railway series. So first he has red bars is because he was supposed to be Boris, but I failed on making Boris, so I just made Chad. So I just had to make Chad. If you want me to make more Chad and Friends characters, just leave a comment down below. So he's covered in paper. It's not the same way as I made my Timothy. Well, Timothy still needs repairs. There he is. He goes a bit slow because he used to be a Thomas the Tank Engine from the Thomas Midnight Ride set. So yeah, just like Molly, he stops on the hill when he stops when he goes up the hill. So yeah, that was my custom tank engine Chad. Bye.